to my house. Today, we're playing dress up. Let's see what fun costumes we can find. Whoa! Look at all these costumes. I think I want to be a dinosaur. Roar! Arthur, that's my tail, not yours. Oh, Arthur, you're the silliest dog ever. Hi, Harper. Can I play too? Hi, Mila. Of course. Pick any costume you'd like. I'll be a princess. Rah! Rah! I'm the biggest dinosaur in the kingdom. And I'm the princess with the magic crown who's not scared of dinosaurs. Roar! Oh no! My crown! Oh no! I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, Mila. Now I can't be a princess anymore. I was too rough pretending to be a dinosaur. I'm really sorry, Mila. I know you didn't mean to, but I'm still a little bit sad. Wait, what if we make a new crown together? You mean like a craft crown? Yes, with cardboard glue and sparkly gems. It'll be even more special. Let's cut a long strip like this. And glue on the shiny bits here. Oh no, Arthur. You spilled the glue. Arthur, you're a rainbow dog. You're the most colorful dog ever. Hey, it's okay, Arthur. Sometimes dogs make mistakes too. Yeah, you were just trying to help. It's perfect! Even better than before! And now it has rainbow dog sparkles too!
I can make it right today by finding the kindest words to say. I'm sorry makes the sun shine bright and turns mistakes to feeling right. If I hurt a friend and make them sad, I can help them not feel bad. I take a breath and softly say, I'm sorry, friend, are you okay? I'm sorry, 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 my friend. I'll try to be gentle again. When I say sorry, it makes things right and fills our hearts with happy light. to be gentle again. When I say sorry, it makes things right and fills our hearts with happy light. We can fix it, me and you, with a little sorry and starting new. Helping hands and hearts that care to show our love is always there.
Even when accidents happen, a real sorry can make the sadness float away. And when we make things right together, that's where the magic starts. Because a true sorry shines brighter than any crown. We made a crown that shines so bright. Together, we made it feel just right. A little sorry, a little glue, made something beautiful and new. And sometimes even dogs can be sorry too. Bye, friends! Remember, one small sorry can make a big, beautiful difference.